G'day and thanks for checking out our Mitsubishi Outlander we have here. This one's a 2019, so you get balance of the new car warranty and some great features. Facelift model with daytime rain lights, projector headlights, coming through down through the sides. You get the alloy wheels, plenty of tread on those tyres, colour code mirrors, and all those accent trims down the side. Piano black finish throughout, and as you can get that sporty trim with side curtain airbags as well. This one does have floor mats. Private local business that own the vehicle. You've got your USB plug, rear aircon vents, leather wrap steering wheel and center console, rear cup holder through the back with armrest, 7 seats of course, and coming around into the back of the car, it's in great condition throughout. LED rear tail lights, and you get a split fold rear seat, so really easy to lay down if you've got to quickly put some people on the third row. Coming down through the side, you can see it's in great condition inside as well. Travelled 79,000 Ks, locally owned and operated. You've got your cruise control, your Bluetooth, all your wipers through there, and your lights. You've got your infotainment system, with a reverse camera as well, climate control, and so much more. We look forward to seeing you soon.